Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a TradingView strategy. We'll start by exploring the fundamentals of Pine script, which is essential for coding your ideas. Then, we'll cover how to define precise entry and exit rules for your trades. Finally, I'll guide you through the crucial process of backtesting to ensure your strategy is robust and effective. Let's dive in and build some powerful trading tools. Mastering Pine script is key to bringing your trading ideas to life. You'll learn to use variables, functions, and operators to build complex logic. We'll focus on implementing strategy, entry and strategy, exit commands to control your trades. Additionally, using plot and label functions will help you visually debug and understand your strategy's behavior on the chart. It's simpler than you think. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: building strategies can be intense, so stay hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your focus. Check the description for a link to grab yours and discover other great deals. Your support helps me create more videos. Now, let's get back to the video. Crafting effective strategy logic involves defining precise conditions for trade execution. We'll cover how to implement conditional statements that trigger your entries and exits. Crucially, you'll learn to set appropriate stop-loss and take-profit levels to manage risk and secure profits. Finally, we'll analyze backtest results, focusing on metrics like profit factor and drawdown to refine your strategy. This step is vital for success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.